Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am nice. Hope the same from your side. We all know that laughter is very, very important in our life. First, we should laugh as soon as we wake up from our bed. And even our day should end with laughter at night. Why? Because laughter transforms. Now, transformation is what happens to a drop of water when it is touched by the magic of sunlight. It is what happens to a seed when it embarks on its journey to become a mighty banyan tree. You are knowing it is a transformation from seed to a huge tree. Transformation is not mere improvement, just as the newly sprouted banyan tree is not an improved seed or a rainbow, an improved drop of water. It is you are knowing, transformation, complete transformation, because seed is different and the tree is different, and a droplet of water is different, and we know that rainbow is, it is a complete transformation. So even laughter transforms our life. Each of us has many opportunities for transformation. Bringing laughter into the workplace can improve the atmosphere. The first laugh used to greet colleagues as one walks in through the doors can make the office a happy place. If you want, just try it. Tomorrow, while entering your office, enter with a sweet smile. See the changes around. The last laugh, as one exists, you are knowing, can also better our mood to spend time with the family. So the greatest of all miracles is health. All of us agree, health is wealth. Every day our bodies are attracted by millions of microbes, viruses and bacteria. All of us are knowing this. The body is able to replace these invaders and protect itself through a mechanism called immune response. The body's immune response is enhanced by laughter. Not only that, it also creates happy hormones within us. As one laughs heartily, endorphins and serotonins flow into the blood, creating a happy state of mind. A good laughter also reduces the levels of stress. And you are knowing, it makes us happy, and also the atmosphere around us also is made happy. So, the one who laughs frequently is less likely to suffer from heart attacks. So, we should develop this great thing which costs nothing, that is laughter. Now, what we can do through this? Okay, if you are interested in music or films and all, you can enjoy it. And a very important thing is, try to be with the happy people. Because you are knowing, even our environment is created according to our environment. Our friends, if we are having happy friends, we too will be happy with them. If we are having friends who are all the time with green faces, angry outlook and all, what happens? We too will be like that. So, we should have good friends, happy friends, joyful friends. Read and share jokes. Let it be from the books, let it be from the internet, anywhere. Share it with your friends and all. It will make you happy. Everyone will enjoy it. Play with babies. Make them giggle. See how happy the time is. Those who have spent, you are knowing it. Really, a baby in the house means the whole atmosphere is changing. Play with the baby. Gesticulate on its cheek, or see how it laughs and all. Even you will feel so happy. And buy some playthings, balloons and all like this for the toddlers. Listen to laughter in the school playground. Just see. Or nowadays we are having the laughter clubs. Go and join the laughter club. Daily you can see so many people, young, old, everyone. They all get together because it is a good medicine. It is said that laughter is also a good medicine. You won't fall sick if you are happy all the time. So end of our life should be happiness. Whether you work hard, whatever you do, earning money, whatever, everything, end point is happiness. We do all these things to be happy. So even the work, what we should do is what gives us happiness. That is very, very important. But generally what happens? People look at money and according to they choose the work. No. Happiness should be, okay, by doing this work, whether I am happy, okay, then let me do it. No, forcibly I am doing, I don't like it, then stop it. So happiness should be the end point of our life. For happiness, we are doing all the things, whatever, we do it for happiness. And when laughter, you are knowing, increases the happiness, we should, as I told you, getting up from bed should be with a sweet laugh. Going to the bed also should be with a sweet laugh. And you are knowing, life becomes lighter. You don't feel any tension, any trouble, problem, anything. If your life is full of laughter and joyful and everything. So, laughter is very, very important. If you are always with smile, you won't get any diseases, you won't get any tension, you won't get any stress. If no stress means no disease, no problem, your life will be happy. Moreover, when you don't have any stress, whatever work you are doing, that work you will be doing in a better way. The standard of your work definitely will increase. And when you work well, when your work is good, naturally you will be getting promotions. And when you get promotion, you will be more happy. So wherever we are, let us make the people around us happy. Start it from your family. Make your family members happy. Make your colleagues in the office happy. So this happiness will increase our lifespan as well. Have a nice day.